decade, the Health Promotion Trust of the Archdiocese of Bombay has been serving and empowering marginalized urban and rural communities in Mumbai, Raigad, and Dharavi Islands. Our goal is to teach strategies of preventive health care to people at the grassroots and train them to take charge of their health. All our programs and services are structured around promoting alternative and nature based measures of healthcare that are affordable, accessible, reliable, and sustainable. The present COVID 19 pandemic is a global health crisis which has affected the lives of millions of people. As always, the worst hit are the poor who are not able to access basic services to protect and keep them and their families safe. In response, HPT promptly assessed the needs of its target groups and developed relevant interventions in partnership with community based organizations in Mumbai, Thane, and Raigad. HPT launched its first phase of relief work in April 2020 based on WHO guidelines of preventing human to human transmission. 500 medical kits containing face masks, hand sanitizers, soaps, gloves, disinfectants, and other toiletries were distributed to frontline workers of Raigad district. These included health workers trained by HPT, police personnel, Anganwadi workers, primary healthcare center personnel, and social workers. 6,000 medical kit items were distributed to the tribal communities of Raigad district in collaboration with 18 partners of the Raigad Justice Munch. 3,000 medical kits were distributed to the communities of Dharavi Islands. 1,500 medical kits were provided to street children, commercial sex workers, domestic workers, and poor families in Mumbai. We, along with our partners, are extremely proud of our frontline warriors, namely our health workers who played a key role during this phase in identifying infected cases through village visits, reporting and maintaining the health status of those quarantined, actively listening to people's concerns, distributing food and medical relief materials, educating people about natural methods to build immunity as per the guidelines of the Ayush Ministry, and disseminating information on combating the spread of the virus. As the pandemic continued, we observed an important link between living a healthy lifestyle and building immunity against diseases. Hence, during the second phase of intervention, webinars were organized on various healthcare issues for diverse groups in the Archdiocese of Bombay. Each webinar was attended by an average of 70 people. Our webinars included immunity building through a healthy diet, simple breathing exercises for healthy lungs, habits of a healthy brain, acidity and preventive measures, importance of physical and mental health during the pandemic, women's reproductive health, diabetes and blood pressure, home remedies. In the third phase of intervention, we initiated a holistic dietary program for the Raigad tribal community in consultation with 18 partners of the Raigad Justice Munch. As part of this program, nutritional supplements including eggs, jaggery, fruits, groundnuts, and spices were distributed to 1,412 families from 27 villages of Raigad district. Some of these ingredients are used to prepare black tea or kada, which is an effective immunity booster. We also provided nutritional support to 75 children from Mahim and Dharavi slums in collaboration with Our Lady of Victories Church and the Canosa Community Center of Mahim, 20 persons with high risk medical conditions, and 35 families in Marol slums in collaboration with Asha Southern Social Center, Andheri East, 25 families of Malwani Malad in collaboration with Our Lady of Forsaken Church and the Carmelite Missionaries Congregation. We are immensely grateful to the Archdiocese for their trust and faith in the Health Promotion Trust. We also thank our donors, stakeholders, and benefactors for their ongoing support during this health crisis.